The appraisal process brought to you by Jennifer Thornburg and Blue Wave Funding in Tacoma, Washington. The appraisal can be ordered by your loan officer once he or she receives your signed and dated initial mortgage loan disclosures. Once your initial mortgage loan disclosures have been uploaded to the lender, the appraiser is then selected by what's called an appraisal management company. The appraisal management company makes sure that the appraiser is in state and federal compliance with our federal laws. So the importance of the appraisal to the lender is marketability. They need to make sure that the home you're buying is of value versus what your loan amount's going to be. So for instance, if your home appraises at $200,000 and you put 5% down, your loan amount would be $190,000 or $10,000 down. So the lender knows that if that value came in at $200,000 and your purchase agreement is for $200,000, that they have a marketable property. Comparable sales are used in the appraisal process to determine actual market value in the neighborhood of the home you're looking to purchase. A comparable is one that is similar in square footage, bedroom count, bathroom count, and land size, among other things within the appraisal itself. You can be present when the appraisal is taking place, and it is advised to ask the appraiser questions if you feel. The purchase agreement may not equal the appraised value, whether the appraised value comes in lower, which is more typical, than higher, for the sole fact that sellers typically would like to obtain more money for the home they're selling, and it may not be what the actual appraised value is. Again, when comparable sales are taken into consideration, the appraiser uses those comparable sales and their sales price to determine your property in that neighborhood and its value. The appraisal fee is always paid in advance directly to the appraisal management company that hires the appraiser to inspect your property. The appraisal management company is paid by you through either your MasterCard or Visa, and the fees are ranging from $450 to $550 depending on the complexity of the property itself. It could come in more depending again on the size of your home and the location of the home. The appraiser will also have the appraisal either as is or subject to, and the as is value means that the appraiser accepts the property as it is, and if he subjects it to, that means that there are some repairs that the appraiser would like to see done before the loan is completed. He will have to be hired back out to re-inspect the subject to conditions to make sure that the seller has completed them in a professional type manner. Thank you for visiting Blue Wave Funding. If you need further information, please phone Jennifer directly at 253-503-1733.